Today I'm very excited because I am going to introduce my new journey with all of you, a journey where we are going to challenge beliefs that have shaped our lives for far too long. I am going to talk about myths and beliefs that are like invisible fog influencing our perceptions and dictating how do we act. एंड डू यू नो मेरा इंस्पिरेशन कहाँ से आया है? मेरा इंस्पिरेशन एक बहुत ही प्यारे कोट से आया है जो रॉल्फ वॉल्डो एमर्सन ने एक बार बोला था. उन्होंने बहुत प्यारी बात बोली थी, वो ये है कि आवर माइंड वंस स्ट्रेच्ड बाय अ न्यू आइडिया नेवर रिटर्न्स टू इट्स ओरिजिनल डिमेंशंस. एंड बस मैं चाहती थी कि मैं उस बारे में बात करूं जहाँ पर वी स्ट्रेच आवर माइंड एंड ब्रेक मिथ्स अबाउट topics that are pillars that support our daily lives and shape our understanding of the world. Can you guess the name? So I present to you my new series, which is Break a Myth with the Smiling Storyteller. Drum roll! Yeah. In this series, I am going to delve into 12 very important topics, and mind you, these topics are not just random choices, but rather they are the pillars that support our daily lives and touch every aspect of who we are and how we live. These are very important. And in this series, my very first episode or my very first video is about a topic that I had recently talked about, and many of the viewers have shown so much of love to that video, and that is 5 myths about narcissists. Yes, well, if you're new to my channel and you have not watched my video on narcissist, please first go and watch that video and then come back. And to those who have already watched it, thank you so much for giving it so much of love. But today we are going to unravel 5 myths about narcissists that you thought to be true. Let's start. मैं अपना इंट्रोडक्शन तो करना भूल ही गई थी. Hi, Namaste, welcome back to my channel, The Smiling Storyteller, where I, Priyanka, bring to you stories, opinions and experiences on things that truly matter. अब शुरू करते हैं. So the first myth about narcissists, and it's a very important one that needs to be broken, and that is that every narcissist has NPD. No, never. So let's understand it through my simple example. आप एक स्केल समझिए, मेरे हाथ में है, an invisible one. इसका एक साइड है A and this side is B. Now at this side A, on this side are people with confidence, with high self-esteem, with good attitude, good behavior, right? And now all these traits help this individual to move further, grow in his or her life. Now as you move further in between these A and B, this space, you start finding people displaying narcissistic traits. क्योंकि ये इंडिविजुअल है विच हैज़ सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस, विच हैज़ सेल्फ एस्टीम. बट जब आप इस स्पेस में आना शुरू करते हैं, यू विल फाइंड पीपल विच हैव दीज ट्रेट्स बट एक्स्ट्रा. तो कभी ना कभी किसी ना किसी सिचुएशन में दे विल बी सेल्फिश, दे विल बी शोइंग लैक ऑफ एम्पैथी, दूसरे को यूज़ कर कर अपनी लाइफ में आगे बढ़ना. सो ऑल दोज नार्सिसिस्टिक ट्रेट्स ऑन एंड ऑफ आपको इस स्पेस के लोगों में मिलेंगे. But these people do not have NPD. But when you move further ahead to this extreme point B, now this is the point where people have NPD, because now these people show pervasive pattern of narcissistic traits. So you understand through this: A, normal; B, people showing narcissistic traits; and C, people having NPD. Now one more thing, all of us in sometimes in our lives have shown or tend to show narcissistic traits, but not all of us have NPD. Also, you need to understand that NPD is a mental health disorder which needs mental health professional intervention, and also this disorder is only labeled as a disorder after the diagnosis criteria is met. WHO, through its International Classification of Diseases 11, has set up diagnosis criteria for multiple mental health disorders including NPD. So only after clinical evaluation, after interviews and questionnaires, and after assessment of symptoms, one can diagnose NPD. So next time if you come across a person who shows traits of narcissism, do not rush to label that person having NPD. All right. Time to break myth number 2 about narcissist, and that every narcissist has high self-esteem. No, it's not true. Well, yes, they intend to portray that they have high self-esteem, that they are very confident, but that self-esteem is often fragile. Yes, the moment you challenge their confidence, the moment you try to challenge their self-esteem, they'll become insecure and vulnerable. So there was a study that was found in Personality and Individual Differences in 2008 that found out that when it compared to non-narcissist, the high self-esteem of narcissist is often unstable. और ये instability जो high self-esteem में है of narcissistic people, it's very vulnerable to criticism and failure. So the moment these people are criticized or they fail in something they thought they are good at, वो आपने वो पत्तों का घर देखा है ना, वो कैसे गिरता है. Similarly, the same thing happens with narcissistic people sometimes. So not every narcissistic person has high self-esteem. It's just a facade. The third myth that I want to break about narcissists is that they know what they're doing. No, they don't. Yes, narcissistic people often lack self-awareness of their actions, of their behavior, because of two main traits, which is grandiosity and lack of empathy. Also, narcissistic people use cognitive distortions to reinterpret a situation or story that fits their narrative. That's true. And due to their lack of self-awareness, narcissistic people often think that they're always right and others are overreacting. According to studies published in the Personality Disorder and the Journal of Personality, two things were found out for narcissistic behavior. Number one is narcissists tend to have an impaired insight into their actions, into their behavior, leading to repercussions outside. And second thing is that they always externalize the blame. They will never be accountable of their actions, and they'll try to put the onus on the external environment or the person. So next time you think that every narcissist knows what they're doing to you, sometimes they don't, but you should know how to distance from such people. If you don't know, go and check my video on narcissist. Fourth myth ready to be busted about narcissist, and that is that they are easy to spot. No, इतनी जल्दी आप spot नहीं कर सकते हैं narcissist को. Now understand that narcissistic traits manifest in subtle ways, in less obvious ways. अगर अभी तक आपने ये word नहीं सुना है, so there is something called covert narcissist. Now who are these covert narcissists? जो हमारे आसपास ही होते हैं, हमारी फैमिली में होते हैं, हमारे ऑफिस में होते हैं, हमारे कॉलेजेस में होते हैं, स्कूल्स में होते हैं, बट दे आर कोवर्ट. कोवर्ट मतलब क्या होता है? स्टार्टिंग में दे चार्म यू, स्टार्टिंग में दे आर वेरी स्वीट टू यू, दे आर वेरी नाइस टू यू, बट जितना ज़्यादा दिन तक आप उनके साथ रहते हैं, जितनी लंबे समय तक आप उनको जानने लगते हैं, देन यू रियलाइज देयर सम मैनिपुलेटिव ट्रेट्स, एंड नाउ it's not very easy to spot. Another thing is that narcissistic people are skilled in charming. They are skilled in creating a persona that easily attracts people towards them. But then when you are exposed to their presence for the longer period of time, you realize that some of their traits are very manipulative, very deceptive, and then you start feeling hurt and you start getting away. Now, there was a study in social psychological and personality science which found out that narcissistic people often put themselves in a positive light, which makes it very difficult to unmask them or spot their narcissistic traits. Another study in a journal, Personality and Individual Differences, found out that narcissistic people shows various emotions, like from grandiosity to manipulation to lack of empathy to deception, based on their needs. तो जब उनकी needs मिलती हैं, they could be sweet to you, they could be sweet in professional or public settings, but when it comes to behaving one on one, they'll be different. So now that is a narcissistic trait, and this trait is very hard to spot. And always remember that they will be very pleasing in the first, but later on they'll start finding faults in you, or they'll start harming you. And the last myth about narcissists that we often think to be true is that they can change. आप और मैं यही बैठे रह जाएंगे, but they will not change. Now, I'm not saying this based on any judgment. I'm saying this based on researches and studies online through multiple platforms. In studies and researches में हमेशा पाया गया है that in fact people who are suffering from NPD, treating them is very challenging. Why? क्योंकि आपको समझना पड़ेगा जो narcissistic traits हैं वो बहुत ही deep rooted होते हैं. सो ये कोई आया गया वाला सीन नहीं हुआ कि आज हम थोड़े से सेल्फिश हो गए, आज हमने थोड़ा सोच लिया, आज हम थोड़े से जेलस हो गए, आज हम थोड़े से इंटाइटल फील कर रहे हैं. इट्स नॉट अबाउट दोज रैंडम केसेस वेयर वी ईच वन ऑफ अस काइंड ऑफ डिस्प्ले दैट साइन, दैट ट्रेट ऑफ नार्सिसिस्ट. बट नार्सिसिस्टिक ट्रेट्स इन लोगों में बहुत डीप रूटेड होते हैं, विच आर वेरी टफ टू ऑल्टर. In fact, there has been study that has found out that जब आप NPD डिसऑर्डर को ट्रीट करते हैं तो वो इतना चैलेंजिंग होता है जहाँ पर आप उन इंसान को ये तो समझा पाते हैं कि कुछ सिचुएशंस में उन्हें कैसे रिएक्ट करना है. साइकोथेरेपी से वो उनको ये समझा पाते हैं कि कुछ चैलेंजिंग सिचुएशंस में उन्हें क्या स्ट्रैटेजी अपनानी है ताकि वो उसको ओवरकम कर पाए. बट जो उनकी फंडामेंटल बिहेवियर होता है, जो उनका फंडामेंटल थॉट होता है, दैट सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट, दैट कैन नॉट बी ऑल्टर्ड सो ईजिली अनलेस दैट पर्सन इज डीपली विलिंग टू चेंज. बट जो उनका सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट होता है, जो उनका इंटाइटलमेंट होता है, वो उनको चेंज होने के लिए मना करता है. बिकॉज द मोमेंट इफ दे स्टार्ट ट्राइंग टू चेंज, उनको ऐसा लगता है कि वो उस कॉन्सेप्ट को चैलेंज कर रहे हैं, वो उस आइडिया को चैलेंज कर रहे हैं, एंड दे आर नॉट ओके विद दैट चैलेंज. एंड दैट्स वाई नार्सिसिस्ट पीपल आर वेरी टफ एंड वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू चेंज. So instead of trying to changing people displaying narcissistic traits, you should take a step back, and glad that you can spot a narcissist now, but good thing will be that you maintain a safe distance from such people if you do not want to get hurt. So with this, I wrap my very first episode of my series, Break a Myth with the Smiling Storyteller. And I also want to tell you that always remember that the thing that you see on the surface is just a glimpse of a much more complex and a multifaceted reality. Always remember this, and do not rush to label something or somebody as something. Try to change your perceptions, deepen your understandings and knowledge, and learn to adapt changes yourself. So if you like this video, definitely hit that button. Share this video with people who would love to know about this. Definitely drop a comment down below if you have more to add. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, yeah. So I'm going to see you with my second episode on this series. Till then, you keep smiling and keep spreading a lot of smiles. See ya.